When I say I won't tell anyone, my best friend doesn't count. You are my best friend because I wouldn't dare be this weird with anyone else. Friends knock on the door. Best friends walk into your house and start eating. We all have that one friend who never learned how to whisper. True friends don't judge each other, they judge other people together. Best friends don't care if your house is clean, they care if you have wine. When my best friend and I first met, we were both like, "You're really weird." Just remember, if we get caught, "You're deaf and I don't speak English." Friends never ask for food. Best friends are the reason you have no food. Real friendship is when your friend comes over to your house just take a nap. If you aren't somewhat crazy in the head, I'm afraid we can't be friends. A good friend knows all your stories. A best friend helped you write them. A best friend is someone who loves you when you forget to love yourself. Don't forget to tag your bestie. Forgetting to tag or mention your bestie means they might not even see the photo. Find the right Instagram caption. Make sure the caption describes your friendship well, but is still appropriate for your followers. God made us best friends because He knew our moms couldn't handle us as sisters. Strangers think I'm quiet, my friends think I'm outgoing, but my best friends know that I'm completely insane. We will always be best friends until we are old and senile, then we can be new friends. I hope we're friends until we die, then I hope we stay ghost friends so we can walk through walls and scare people. Friends come and go like waves of the ocean, but the true ones stick like an octopus on your face. Life is too short to be serious all the time. So, if you can't laugh at yourself, call me, I'll laugh at you. A girl can survive without a boyfriend, but she can't survive without a best friend. When it hurts to look back and you're afraid to look ahead, you can look beside you and your best friend will be there. You are my best friend, my human diary, and my other half. You mean the world to me and I love you. Best friends are the people in your life that make you laugh louder, smile brighter, and live better. Best friends are the people you can do anything and nothing with and still have the best time. Best friends are those who share your problems so you don't have to go through them alone. Friends pick us up when we fall down, and if they can't pick us up they lie down and listen for a while. Best friend, 1 million memories, 10,000 inside jokes, 100 shared secrets. True friendship is not about being inseparable, it is being separated and finding nothing changes. Friendship is born at that moment when one person says to another, "What, you too? I thought I was the only one." Find a group of people who challenge and inspire you. Spend a lot of time with them, and it will change your life. The real test of friendship is, can you literally do nothing with the other person? Can you enjoy those moments of life that are utterly simple? Sometimes being a friend means mastering the art of timing. There is a time for silence. A time to let go and allow people to hurl themselves into their own destiny. And a time to prepare to pick up the pieces when it's all over. A friend is one of the nicest things you can have and one of the best things you can be. Only trust someone who can see these three things: the sorrow behind your smile, the love behind your anger, and the reason behind your silence. You know who your real friends are when you pull away from them and see who wonders why you are pulling away. As we grow up, we realize it's less important to have a ton of friends and more important to have real ones.